Hey, I bought a motor from y'all about a year and a half ago, and my heads just blew the head gasket. And I am thinking the reason is that y'all did not torque them correctly.
All right, let me look that up real quick. All right, I've got 298 videos of your cylinder heads being torqued and your engine being built. Where would you like me to send these? A lot of people ask us, why not just save the time and use a spec sheet? Well, after years of doing this, one thing we found is that spec sheets are fantastic things for reminders, but anybody can pencil whip a spec sheet. And that means that they build the entire engine, go through the entire process, and then sign their name at the very end to everything that they should have paid more attention to. And then some folks have mentioned, well, why not just use the body camera and it would make it a lot easier for your builder? Well, we've thought about that too, but there's one big problem with that. And the problem is that when you use a body camera, our intent is not to prove that the builder did something wrong. Our intent is to cause the builder to catch himself and not us later or the customer to catch him in his error. So if you're cognizantly thinking about every single bolt that you tighten because you're having to take a picture of it, then now it's a lot more intentional with every move that you make, every bolt that you tighten, and every decision while you're building that engine. It makes it for a lot better product and a more complete process. And these are a lot of things that go into our engine building that make us completely unique because we're not willing to sacrifice quality for quantity's sake. And when you're buying an engine from Choate Engineering Performance, you can know that every single engine that we build, from the Model C to the Casquatch, has the same process built in. We take care of every single one of them. So let us be your choice for engines, and we'll do our very best to exceed your expectations in the things that we build here.